It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside and turned into your own, all 'cause you won't listen.
It's liver lover. Go away.
Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you gave to me, but now I gotta find my own. You should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone that thought had died.
Kahit ano sabihin mo, asawa ko pa rin siya. Hirida ka.
So long ago, oh, I'm free now, and my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or worse into your own, all 'cause you won't listen. I am alone at a crossroads. I'm not at home in my own home, and I'm trying to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I followed the voice you gave to me, but now I gotta find my own.
Aking ina, mahal kong ina, pagmamahal mo, aking ina. Yakap mo sa akin, hinahanap ko, init ng pag-ibig. Kumot na doon sa ibalik mo sa akin si Junjun. Ibalik mo sa akin anak ko.
Here's Laika, Paloma, and Pizza. Ladies and gentlemen, from the movie, Between Walang Ningning.
Kahit na ilang laksang bibig, kayang pantayan ating tingin. Malupit ko ang hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang makapalang ginan na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya't maging bituin walang tingin. Kung kapalit nito'y walang paglaho pagtingin.
Sinira mo ang ganda. Binaboy mo. Baliw ang nagsasabing isinilang na ang aking karibal. You'll never make it. You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard, copycat.
Sa piling ng iyong pagmamahal, limutin ang magpapalala, tinanang tagumpay. Sa piling ko ngayon, ako'y bituin walang tingin.
Nobody snobs me, basura. Ikaw ang basura. Noon hinahangaan kita dahil ang akala ko'y mabait ka. Ang akala ko'y tao ka. Sinubaybayan kita, binantayan kita, minahal kita, Lavinia. Tiningala kita. Hindi ko makakalimutan ang hamakin mo ko. Nangiyain mo ko sa publiko. Mula noon isinumpa ko, hindi lang kita papantayan, Lavinia. Nalampasan pa kita. Hipokrita. Amanos. You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard, copycat.
Give it up for Pizza, Laika, and ang nag-iisa si Paloma. Grabe. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, give it up for Pizza, Paloma, Laika, and of course, kasama na rin natin si Baby. sa Laika at si Paloma. Ayan. Sino naman tayo? Sino katawagan yun? Si Chocobot, si Art. Ajun! Yung Ajun. Yan, tapos request natin na kumanta si Mandy. Mandy, standby yan.
Yes, nandiyan pa si Manny from
Si
GMA.
Mandy, si Ken, nandito si Ken.